Before we dive into the world of Sora AI, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button for more enlightening content like this. Now, imagine an advanced artificial intelligence platform. That's Sora AI. It's designed to adapt, learn, and grow in various applications. From healthcare to finance, from retail to robotics, Sora AI is revolutionizing the way we interact with technology, making our lives easier and more efficient. Now that we've got a basic understanding, let's delve deeper into how Sora AI works. Sora AI, a name that's taking the tech world by storm. But what's the secret behind its magic? Just like a master magician never reveals their trick, the magic of Sora AI might seem mysterious at first. But let's pull back the curtain a bit and delve into the technology that drives it. At the heart of Sora AI lies machine learning. Just as a child learns to recognize objects over time, Sora AI learns from data. It's like a sponge, absorbing information, recognizing patterns, and making predictions. Next, we have natural language processing. Think of it as Sora AI's ability to understand and speak human language. It's like having a conversation with a friend who not only understands what you're saying, but also grasps the context. Along with these, Sora AI employs other AI techniques, each adding a layer of sophistication, making it a true marvel of modern technology. Intriguing, isn't it? But that's not all. Let's explore some real-world applications of Sora AI. From healthcare to finance, Sora AI is reshaping industries. Let's examine how. In healthcare, Sora AI is being utilized to predict disease progression and tailor treatments, leading to improved patient outcomes. It's like having a supercharged medical team at your fingertips, 24/7. In finance, it's automating tasks, speeding up processes, and reducing human error. Imagine a world where your financial advisor is available around the clock, offering real-time advice based on data-driven insights. Moreover, Sora AI is enhancing decision-making processes across the board. From supply chain management to marketing strategy, it's crunching numbers, spotting patterns, and delivering actionable insights. It's like having a crystal ball, but one backed by hard data and sophisticated algorithms. The beauty of Sora AI is that it's not limited to these examples. Its potential applications are as varied as our imaginations. As we can see, Sora AI is not just a buzzword, it's a revolution in the making. So, we've learned quite a bit about Sora AI today, haven't we? We've delved into the essence of Sora AI, unraveled the technical sorcery that powers it, and seen how it's revolutionizing our world. It's not just an AI, it's a game changer, a new frontier in artificial intelligence. Thanks for joining us on this journey into the world of Sora AI. Remember to subscribe for more insightful content. Until next time, keep exploring.